What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm hosting a BMW M pop-up cruise. This is super last minute, guys. Like, a couple of my homies were hitting me up like, is there anything going down for Sunday? And I was like, honestly, I don't know of anything, but I've been wanting to cruise by Malibu and PCH because I haven't been to that area in like, I think like a month or so. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make a last minute flyer. I'm literally in my bed at midnight making this flyer, and I'm like, I'm gonna post it on Instagram, and let's see who's down. This is super last minute. I'm not expecting a lot of cars to pull up, so I'll throw the flyer up here for you guys so you guys can check it out. Let me know if I should do more of these little pop-up meets or cruises and stuff like that. I'm pretty down to cruise, and just BMW M only would be pretty cool. So we are on our way right now to meet up with everybody, so should be dope turnout. Wow, look what pulls up next to us. F90 M5. That's for sure got to be paint. There's no way that's a wrap. Dude, that looks good. Sheesh, we got the frozen black X5M. What's going on today? It's M day. That'd be sick if this car rolled up to the Me Too and that M5 as well. That'd be pretty sick. But damn, this X5M looks good. Come to the pop-up meet. Pull up, pull up. You gotta love these paddle shifters, guys. So what's cool about the JQ Works paddles is that you can switch. So if you want to use the extended paddle, you can just unbolt the little screws and take out the paddle. Or if you want to use the shorter ones, all you gotta do is just take out the little bolts in the back and just swap back and forth. But I think the extended ones look pretty good. I think it looks good with the steering wheel. Gotta love that click. Woo, the homie Andy with this G80. She looks clean. Look who it is, guys. The big homie Ayers. Long time no see.
Yeah, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Dude, your car looks so good. Those yellow headlights, guys, look at that. LCIs with the yellow headlights. Intakes front mount, you guys see that? Check that out. So right now we're at the back of the station. And imagine this whole lot got filled. That's a clean G80 right there. It's like a sand color. That's a clean G80 right there. That's a really, really nice color. It's like a sand tan color. Sheesh. That's a clean G80 right there. What's up, bro? We got all of the homies right there too at the light. Oh, what's up? What's up?
We outside, baby!
All the homies came through today. All of the homies. Hey, whoever needs CarPlay coding, hit up Ayers. Full screen CarPlay. Sheesh, the homie Beamer fan pulled up today. Okay, okay. Very nice.
1,000. Oh, okay.
There's the next car, guys. The F90 M5.
Let's make some deals today.
Ayers, you need this, bro. This is Ayers. Wow.
Exactly the car I want.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's clean.
Yeah, bro. It's
This is
what,
you.
stage 2 already? Bro, that's my car.
Alpine white, carbon ceramics.
That's the car. That's gonna be the next car.
Take it off my hands, bro. I don't want it anymore. Go buy a fucking Lambo.
Yeah?
Rich Lambo. He said Lambo next.
So the
So you're
M5
gonna
gonna be
keep-
for dig
You're
racing?
gonna keep them for?
The M4 is ride or die.
Nice.
Oh, I thought he was gonna sell. I thought you
No, XXM is selling it.
Put that on the window sticker, ride or die.
Yeah.
have an X6 too?
Well, do you know that?
Yeah, he's at a.
It's my own loaner for myself.
Oh, yeah?
Every time I need to put
Rich.
upgrade to the car stuff, I'm driving my loaner.
Rich. Race, tell me you want to race.
Good though.
Just F90 M5.
Hey,
Cash,
bro, but
10,000.
hey, bro, you want to race for 10K?
Yeah, dude, just
60
No,
mile
that'd be a
roll.
good race.
60
That'd be a
mile
good
roll.
race. That'd be
60.
Hey, tell him you'll pop the tires for you, dog. Hey, yo, but only if you race for money.
from a dig.
You buy
No,
new
not from a
tires,
dig.
It's okay.
Why you don't do digs?
Huh?
Axles.
So you want me to break my axles? I already broke 4 axles, bro.
Oh my god.
I don't want to break any more axles. 4.
4 axles? Holy shit, that's crazy.
They make better upgraded axles.
What's up?
It's upgraded.
Affirm it to
Two
them.
Maxers.
Bro, you need to see how fucking Gokor gets gapped on the freeway.
That's the
Oh.
guy that's never capped me.
Let's do it. Let's put money right now, cash, $1,000. Here, everybody's witnessing.
Hey, you bought brand new tires or used
Don't
tires?
worry.
I'm worried.
I have bolt tires
Who?
with metals. I'll smoke you with
How's
bolt
the
metals
ratio
with
of
tires. 60-mile roll, $1,000.
My car doesn't go that
You know, I lose 1,000, or if I win, I'm only gonna take 200 from you. How about that? 1,000 for 200 cash right now. Shake my head.
Hey, oh.
You want a massage, bro? Come on.
I like the massage. You know, honestly, no joke.
Hey, what happened?
My
I thought
main
you were
reason
buying
for
salvage
changing
one.
it, is the massage
The
seat.
seats? Really? It's light though. You can
I know, but it's still fun, bro.
Ask him how much you charge per session.
How much you charge per session?
salvage title one or clean title?
Big homie Enrique pulled up. You got the wrong meat, Andy.
I am, brother. Sorry for the lag.
We're waiting for you.
Oh, nice to meet you, man.
There's Andy Ayers. What's up,
Brother,
bro?
how are you?
Good, how are you?
You have CarPlay on your car?
No, not this one.
Put it. You can do CarPlay.
You do?
CarPlay.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
Shit.
Let me get the VIN number and check.
Yeah.
CarPlay.
Brother?
That's a clean F80 M3 Secure Orange. Comp. LCI. Damn, that looks good.
Watch out!
Oh! Look at all of them. Look at all of them just staring back there. You're taking the top off. You're taking the top off. Alright guys, so we decided to go to Malibu. Not a lot of people came to the Malibu park because it's kind of like late, a little bit far, but I don't know. I really felt like going by the beach, just kind of getting that breeze. It's cooler down there. And but we got Ayers, we got Mark, we got Enrique, we got the homie Idris, we got the homie Andy. Still got a bunch of cars with us, so I just told them, like, let's just go to Malibu and let's just see what happens. Like, probably get food or something, take some pictures. I don't know. Finally on the Canyon. Such a nice day, guys. Beautiful weather. Got the windows down. It's crazy. Once you come down to the beach side, like, the weather changes. It feels so much cooler. Look at that view. Super nice. Caught up, the homie Enrique. In the valley, it was like, I think like 99 degrees. Right now, it's 82 degrees, guys. I think Ayers wants to give everybody the gap today.
If you tune it like the right way, you can make it faster than any like.
No way, they got Ayers. Oh my god, bro. He heard Ayers' burbles, bro. I thought he was gonna go after me because we don't have our plates. Oh my god. Look at this view, guys, that we got right here. So freaking beautiful. So freaking nice. Look at that, and it's cloudy over here. Hey guys, so we are back home finally after a long day. And as you guys saw, the Ayers got pulled over. And I thought the cop was originally gonna go for me because he got behind, because when we were on PCH, he was writing a ticket, but I guess he finished that ticket, so he was getting back in his car. And that's when he saw me. And then I thought to myself, I don't have my license plate, so he's for sure gonna go after me, but Ayers was next to me as well. So the cop gets in his car, he comes behind me, he turns on the sirens, so I pull over, didn't go behind me, he actually goes behind Ayers. I thought he heard Ayers because Ayers kind of not floored it, he kind of just gave it gas, maybe 3-4 miles per hour, and the car kind of burbled a little bit. So I thought he heard that. Anyway, he goes behind Ayers, pulls Ayers over. I eventually call Ayers. I'm like, yo, what happened? And Ayers was like, he was originally gonna go after you, which was me, for the no plates, but Ayers had a tinted windshield. So he saw that Ayers had his windshield tinted pretty dark, and yeah, he told Ayers I was gonna go after your buddy, but I saw that you had a tinted windshield, so I went for you. But the good thing is, it wasn't I thought he got him I thought he heard his exhaust, he was gonna give him a ticket for his exhaust, but he let him go for the plate, but he just ticketed him for the windshield tint. So wasn't nothing too crazy, thank God, but still kind of sucks, still annoying. Cool cop, I guess, you could have got him for other stuff, Anyway, guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care, guys. Peace out.